Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, guys, I want to share Friday Freebie. Now, this is a request from the lovely Patricia. Patricia's been with me for, actually, from the very beginning when I launched my YouTube channel in 2019. Patricia is a lovely loyal customer as well, bless her. I really truly appreciate your support, Patricia, so thank you. Patricia has requested a page that is linked with Paris but with a touch of shabby. Now I hope the prompt was followed. So I designed a VIP lounge kit. This is an old version, I think a couple of years ago. So I decided to share this page with you all because, I've not done anything on my website with Paris. This is probably something that if I see that there is a lot of requests, I will probably design. So leave me a comment, guys. If you want me to do something with Paris, I will design it. Maybe do like a mini kit. So far, there is Rome, the Roman Empire. There is Egypt. I've done San Francisco. I've done stamps and... what, done any more cities? I don't think so. So if you got any more requests, I'll design one. Okay, so this page is not part of any kit. Okay, so let me talk you through on how to get it. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I hope you like this freebie and this video. If you did, please consider giving a very big thumbs up. It really supports with my channel here on YouTube. Every time you guys interact with me, could be a like, could be a comment, share my videos, YouTube get a little notification, and it really truly supports my journey here on this amazing social media. Guys, don't forget to download it, and I can't wait to see what you make with this as well. And I will see you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.